Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna be making a new faux fur jacket because it's actually still really cold in California, which is super weird. And I'm tired of wearing the same like 2 or 3 jackets over and over because I never ever buy jackets. So I need a new jacket and that's what we're gonna make today. So to make this jacket, I used my basic pattern blocks combined with the measurements taken from my pink jacket and created a paper pattern to work with. I cut my pieces out twice, once in the fluffy fabric and once in the lining. For the third fabric, I cut out some rectangles that are going to be used as the band at the hem, wrists, and the collar. To put the jacket together, I assemble the outer shell of the jacket and the inner lining of the jacket, and then I put the lining in the outer shell of the jacket and they'll be joined together later. I add a collar, cuffs on the sleeves, and a hem. My last step is to add a separating zipper, and that's it. So here it is, all finished. So that is it for my video today. I really hope you guys loved it. If you aren't already, go ahead and follow me on all of my socials. Like this video down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos on Sundays and Thursdays. I'll leave the last video that I made right here and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!